Hey, parents, this is your technology portion, all right, of your back to school night program. I want to be able to walk you through so you can see exactly what your child should be doing. This way, you can help them, guide them, and more importantly, you just have a better understanding of what you should be looking for. So, Teams is our spot to go. So, your students, all right, should be seeing tiles like this with their class periods that are in it. The first one we want to go through, this is something all students have, the GMS and students portion. When they click on this on the far left-hand side, there's something that says 6 white for their team. And here at the very top, you can see this is the homework website. So this is where your child will be starting most of all their off-site days because this is where they're going to get their information from. And we click on the homework website, and there are other ways of getting into it. You could go through the actual pages itself. We are six white, so I'm going to click on that. You go through, the actual North web page, and here you can see what we've got. So different days, different things. I've got Thursday up right now. And since Thursday is a B day, you can see in here for the math students, there's not a lot listed regarding homework because, well, we're taking care of most of it in class. And it's just the video notes. The video notes, okay, the notes are always a video. Don't let your student ever tell you that they couldn't do the notes because they were too difficult. They are clicking play. They are writing things down. They might be confused. They might have questions. They might feel great at the end of the math video. It's okay. We will be seeing more of the information. There will be more discussion going about it there. So I don't expect students to instantly understand the material just because they watch the video. The A group is at home, so you can see there's more. It says they're doing entrance slip lesson 3 here. I have a link to where I actually walk them through it. We did entrance slip lesson 3 with the B group today. The next thing says they're working on classwork. Check the answers using the answer key. Well, we're doing classwork here with the B group today. And again, same homework assignment, review unit notes lesson 4. So homework website, big deal, big place to start. So I'm going to get myself back into Teams here. All right. And, oh, I'm sorry, we could stay in the same one. And we talked about at the very bottom, back in 6 white, office hours. Don't worry about join codes. Your student has already taken care of that. Here are your office hours. So this is the times your students, teachers are available. So since today is a Thursday, that means I would be sitting at my computer, staring at the screen, waiting for someone to join in. All they have to do is click on the button and away they go. It'll bring it up on that teacher screen. Sometimes, bathroom break, that kind of stuff. Talking with someone else in the hallway. So certainly if the teacher's not there, check back in a few minutes. Or send an email, something along those particular lines. But that's going to be a pretty solid time there. So again, knowing your child, knowing when they have office hours is big. Some of mine, yeah, on my the A days, I have office hours at 8:35, which means if your student is doing math work in the afternoon, I'm not going to be available for office hours. So that's certainly something that you do want to budget. All right, so your child's class period. I'm just going to select 4th period here. Down the left-hand side are our channels. There are links that are there. So for example, every night or virtually every night, we have a math video to do. It's right here, notes, math videos. They click on it. We click on the link. And I encourage them to hit the globe up here to go to the actual website. Bigger page, takes you outside of Teams. And now they can start sorting. So teacher, they can find Susevich. All right, picture is there. There we go. Move myself back down. Now it's just got my videos. And they're going to select whether they're 6th grade or whether they're in 6th grade and they're in the accelerated class. Since that was period 4, that's a 6th grade class. The front of their notes packets tells them the unit. It says unit review on it, and it brings just the videos for that particular unit. They click play, or they click on it there. Up, it will bring the video, play away. inch the screen to make it larger, all right? All those types of things that can be done. But the idea is they do the notes with me, never on their own. So back into teams here. Flipgrid, we haven't talked about this with your students, but this is one of the ways we will be doing assessments. Here we go. When your student is home and they're doing their classwork and I don't know if I'm doing it right, they should have their answer key up. So again, click on the website there. And again, if they're in sixth grade math, it's right there, sixth grade review unit answer key. If they're in accelerated, they're right below it there. There we go, review unit answer keys. And what we've done in class is we have opened them up. I got a download message that was over here. We went ahead and showed them that, hey, where did it go? Well, in their upper left-hand corner, they had something called My PC. My files are just right down here. And they're going to have something that says downloads. And when they click on it, there it is, sixth grade review unit answer key. We've been having them click and drag and put it onto the desktop. That way it's just easier to access. So that's something to be looking for. Back into Teams. Let's see here. Home access. We haven't done a lot with the grades right now, but this is a link that they can take them right into home access so they can see things. iExcel is a website that we will be using here a lot. We got them logged in. They actually have a sheet of paper they were supposed to have you get signed. All right. No big deal. They don't turn it into me. They hold it into me. They hold it onto them. They just show it to me. It's something where I just like to, give a little discussion point. So if you haven't seen a sheet of paper for iExcel, ask them about it. They have to log in each time. Username, password, they've got that on their sheet of paper. A lot of them, we told them to click the remember me button, so it's there and they just have to sign in every single time. Let's see here. What else do we want to get to? That's kind of it there. Oh, I know. I wanted to finish off with just what should you see your child do on an off-site day. So on an off-site day, they turn their computer on. I would have them go into Teams, all right? Because that's going to kind of get them places. Now, we always tell them start at your homework website, but they're going to access it through the Teams. So again, we can get through that by going through the students that are here. We can get to the homework website because we are 6 white. All right. All right. One more time. Click on it, and here we go. So here they can see what's going on if they're at home. So in this case, A is home today. Entrance slip lesson 3. So that's that purple packet. It is labeled as entrance slips. They would click and they would play. You would then see them go to their white packet to do the classwork. You should see them bring up the answer key. There's a lot of opening and closing of the device because they're checking their answers as they go. Don't do the entire page, then check them. If they're feeling confident, okay, but I'd rather them check them as they go. And then they'll have that notes video that's there that we talked about. So you'll see all 3 packets in use every single day when they're on an offsite. When your child was in class, they're going to come home and all they'll have is the notes, which would just be that white packet. It would be that video, again, around 10 minutes plus or minus a few. So hopefully that gives her, again, email parents, please, quiz your kids, all right? See what they can do regarding this. And please stay in communication because that's what's going to come down to is there are going to be miscommunications when we involve children. We all know that. Heck, there's miscommunication when we involve adults. So please don't hesitate to ask questions. Like I said, excited about this year. It's certainly going to be a fun and entertaining one. And the last thing I'll go back to, as I said before, is I think it's very important. We're going to get through the material. We are going to get through the 6th grade curriculum. The way the classroom is set up, we will get there. We are not just simply cutting it in half and only doing work on days that your child is in class. Thanks, guys. So this happens sometimes where my record button goes away. So here we go. Let's talk to you a little bit here. There it is. It's down there. All right. Bye now.